In this video, I'm going to show you this really quick and easy way to finish your embroidery hoop. Hey there, this is Sarah with the Notorious needle, and I'm all about breaking the rules to help you stitch whatever you want. So this happened. This is Daisy. Say hi, Daisy. If you hear some tinkling in the background, that's probably her collar. And occasionally she barks too. Okay, good girl. What you'll need for this project is your finished cross stitch, another piece of fabric for the backing. I chose red felt, it matches the hat, and a hoop. The first thing you need to do is cut your piece of fabric to size. You can cut it the same size as your project, or a little smaller if you like. I will cut mine the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect. We will trim it later. Next, you want to open your embroidery hoop all the way. So you untwist this little knob at the top as far as it will go. Try not to separate the two sides. So if it pops all the way out, you've gone too far. Put it back in just until it catches the other side. It's just a screw mechanism. And take out the bottom piece. The inside hoop goes on the bottom, followed by your backing fabric, followed by your embroidery piece. Try and feel and make sure that's as centered as possible, and then place the top ring over it. Once you get the hoop over the top, you're going to want to tug at your Aida cloth and make sure that the project is centered inside the hoop, or at least in place where you want it to be. Next, if there's any room, go ahead and tighten that screw at the top. Because my felt is so thick, there's really not a whole lot of room to tighten it. This is quite snug and I'm confident it will stay in place. I hope. The last thing you need to do is snip off all the extra. You'll want to cut as close to the hoop as you can. See, it looks like I can probably stand to snip off a little more material here. This is what it looks like on the back, nice and neat. Nobody can see your stitches. And this is what it looks like on the front. As a few finishing touches, you can sign the back. I'm going to use a Sharpie marker just to put my initials and the year. This is meant to be a tree ornament for a friend of mine, and I'm going to put a little ribbon at the top. There we go. The final touch, I just added a little bit of golden thread so that this can be used as an ornament. And here is the finished hoop. In real time, this literally took me 12 minutes and 26 seconds. If you like this video, this is the third in a series of hoop finishes. The playlist link will be down below and you can watch the other two and the future, I don't know how many.